Logging in to the Station A app can be done either from stationa.com by clicking on the blue button in the upper right, or by navigating directly to app.stationa.com. You'll know you've logged in successfully when you land on your dashboard and see your initials in the upper right-hand corner. The dashboard is a place where we make you aware of things that may be pertinent to your interests. For example, right now we have the Station A Marketplace Participation Survey linked at the top. If you're a building owner looking to explore your clean energy options, or a provider of distributed energy solutions, please feel free to take that survey and enter into participation in the Station A Marketplace. Similarly, we've linked here our SChip Assistant, which helps anyone determine the likely incentive tier for SChip incentives in the state of California, summarized our latest release, and linked to tutorials. On the left-hand side, we have a navigation panel that can either be expanded for easy access or collapsed to increase your workspace in the app itself.